like?
What do you like?
Say I like boys.
I like boys.
No, say you like girls.
I like boys.
Why you like boys?
I don't know, 'cause I'm a boy.
He's so cute, dude.
They your homies?
Do you like boy or girl?
Boy.
Yeah, look, you like hanging out with boys, right?
Would you
like
kiss a
hanging out
boy?
with boys.
Would you kiss a boy?
I would kiss him. In the face.
You want to kiss him?
No,
in the
because
face.
we're friends.
You want to kiss him in the face?
Y'all can't do that to him, man.
So far.
Wrong.
You like him?
Yeah.
Because we're friends, right?
Yeah.
We're
We're friends, right?
We're friends.
Boyfriend.
No.
Boyfriend,
we're
right?
friends.
Boyfriend.
No.
You want a boyfriend?
No, that's
Yeah,
dirty. That's
boyfriend.
dirty.
Yeah,
Say
I want
He's
a
a
friend.
boy. He's a boy, and he's your friend.
No,
So his
Hey,
boyfriend.
trust me,
His
I'm your
boyfriend.
friend. Don't
Yeah.
listen to
His
him.
boyfriend.
Don't listen to him.
That's your boyfriend.
Don't
No,
listen.
that's my friend.
Yes.
Boy, no,
Yes.
boyfriend.
High five. High five. Yeah.
Boyfriend!
But
No.
you
kiss him in the face?
You want to kiss him in the face?
You want to kiss him again? One more time? Kiss him one more time.
Friends don't kiss each other in the face.
Punch him in the
You like
face.
his
Go punch
girl.
him in the face.
Yeah. Punch him.
No more,
Punch him.
Go on.
That's what the punch
No
him
more,
did.
Lewis.
Go on, punch him in the face.
Come on, Lewis.
Lewis, no more.
Punch him in the face.
Punch him.
You will get one
Punch
punch.
him.
You only get one punch, Lewis. No.
Oh, shit.
Fight him. Fight him.
He's a vampire.